If you're still thinking about money in terms of hours worked, you're already behind. In 2026, the people quietly pulling away from the pack aren't necessarily smarter or luckier. They've just figured out how to put machines between their time and their income. Not sci-fi robots or factory arms, but invisible systems that run 24/7. Automations, AI agents, and small pieces of software that turn one unit of effort into many units of output. And most people don't even see them. In this video, we're breaking down 10 specific money machines that are making people rich in 2026, what they are, how they work, and how you can start thinking like the owners instead of the employees. The first machine is the Niche AI Content Factory. This isn't about spammy posts, it's about dominating one profitable niche: B2B tools, real estate, remote work, marketing, investing, whatever fits your business audience. Owners build workflows where AI researches topics, outlines scripts, drafts content, generates thumbnails, and repurposes everything across YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, newsletters, and blogs. Monetization comes from affiliate deals, sponsorships, digital products, or lead generation for high-ticket services. Content creation stops being a daily grind and becomes an engine. The human sets the strategy and quality bar. The machine produces assets that compound traffic and authority over time. The second machine is the AI-first lead generation engine. Agencies, consultants, and B2B businesses wire up systems that find, warm, and qualify leads around the clock. AI scouts LinkedIn and websites to identify ideal prospects. Another layer writes personalized outreach referencing real details about each company. Automated sequences deliver value, case studies, short videos, mini reports, while calendar tools book calls. By the time the human steps in, the prospect already knows who you are and why you're relevant. What used to require a team of SDRs becomes a semi-autonomous pipeline that feeds your sales calendar. Third is the automated micro SaaS machine. These are tiny, specialized tools solving one sharp pain point: turning Zoom calls into CRM notes, auto-summarizing reports, generating social content from blog posts, or building investor-ready dashboards from raw data. A small team builds the tool once, plugs in AI where it adds value, and wires up sign-up, billing, onboarding, and basic support using no-code automation. Customers pay monthly. As long as churn is under control, every new user adds recurring revenue without adding equivalent work. The machine is the whole loop: discover, try, subscribe, get value, renew, all running mostly on its own. The fourth machine is the Smart E-commerce arbitrage stack. Operators use AI to scan marketplaces and trend data to surface products with rising demand and weak competition. Another layer tests product titles, images, descriptions, and prices. Ads automations launch and kill campaigns based on performance in near real time. Fulfillment runs through dropshipping or print on demand, and AI handles a big chunk of customer service. The winners don't run a store. They run a system that continuously tests products and creatives until it finds profitable combinations, then scales them. The fifth machine is the back-office automation system. It's unsexy, but it quietly mints profit. Invoicing, receipt processing, expense categorization, contract generation, onboarding emails, renewal reminders, and basic reporting can all be automated or AI-assisted now. Owners who build this machine effectively buy back dozens of hours per month while reducing errors. Those hours get reinvested into sales, partnerships, and new offers. Over time, that time arbitrage is the difference between a business that flatlines and one that doubles without burning the founder out. The sixth machine is the AI-driven creative and UGC production line. Brands and direct response marketers need endless ad variations and hooks. Smart creators and small agencies use AI for ideation, scripting, rough cuts, and resizing. Humans focus on authentic on-camera delivery, brand voice, and final polish. A testing framework then rotates creatives through ad platforms, rapidly identifying winners. The shop stops being a freelancer selling hours and becomes a content factory with retainers, performance-based deals, and highly leveraged creative output. Seventh is the AI-powered info product ecosystem. Instead of building one course and hoping it sells, operators design a stack: free lead magnets, low-ticket
market products, mid-tier trainings, and high-ticket programs. AI helps identify demand, structure curricula, draft lesson plans, slide decks, and email funnels. Automations handle onboarding, upsells, renewals, and re-engagement. The creator's main job is to deliver the highest value live pieces and refine the offer. The machine continuously nurtures leads and turns attention into revenue, even when they're not launching. The eighth machine is the expert-in-a-box AI assistant. Subject matter experts, law, tax, HR, compliance, niche consulting, encode their frameworks and documents into a private AI assistant trained on their material. Clients pay for access. The assistant handles FAQs and standard processes. The expert steps in only for high-stakes, complex questions. Revenue comes from subscriptions, bundled access plus consulting, or enterprise licenses. It's a leveraged version of billable hours. Instead of answering the same questions 500 times, the machine does it, and the expert focuses on the 5% that really move the needle. Is the local business automation bundle. Most local businesses still struggle with digital basics. Agencies build package systems that handle lead capture, appointment reminders, follow-up, review requests, basic CRM, and simple retargeting. AI personalizes messages and flags churn or reactivation opportunities. The agency doesn't just run ads, it plugs in a revenue support machine. That justifies premium monthly retainers and makes the relationship sticky, because turning it off obviously hurts the client's revenue. The 10th machine is the AI-enhanced investment and deal scanner. Serious investors, operators, and M&A entrepreneurs use AI to read filings, earnings calls, market data, and sector news at scale. Agents flag anomalies, trends, and mispricings. Others model scenarios. What happens to this business if rates change, a competitor launches, or regulations shift? The human still decides, but with 100x more signal and far less noise. The machine is an edge in information and speed that compounds into better bets over time. Thread connecting all 10 is simple. These machines don't eliminate humans, they eliminate manual, repeatable workflows. The people getting rich are the ones who stop asking, "How do I do this faster?" and start asking, "How do I build the system that does this without me?" In a business context, wealth is shifting from people who just work inside processes to those who own the processes. For your business, the takeaway is clear. Don't just adopt random tools, design deliberate systems. Pick one area, content, leads, back office, fulfillment, or expertise, and start turning it into a machine. Map the steps, plug in AI where it removes grunt work, connect the tools so they run with minimal intervention, and keep iterating until your primary role is strategy and decision-making, not constant execution. That's how you move from being a hard-working operator to a leveraged owner. If you're serious about building a business, not just buying yourself another job, hit like so this video reaches more operators, subscribe to the channel for more system-level breakdowns like this, and share it with a business-minded friend who needs to stop grinding and start building machines. In 2026, machines are making people rich. The only real question is, will you own them or work for the people who do?